Yo, what is going on, guys? Demon D here. So as y'all see in the title today, we're bringing you a quick little review video on these freaking air freshener bombs. I've seen them around, never really used them myself personally, but today we are going to be using them in my car, the Tahoe, because I do smoke sometimes in here, occasionally, you know, but I always clean it and stuff, but I always get that slight smell of smoke. So hopefully this will get rid of it, and hopefully it'll be a good review. So right now we're gonna head to Walmart and we're gonna see what kind of scents they have and stuff like that. So we'll catch. Okay, so we are gonna be using these. I'm guessing. Yeah, these. We just made it back home, and this is what we ended up getting: the MEGUIARS whole car air freshener odor eliminator. So this is it's pretty simple. I mean, there are the instructions and how to do it and stuff like that. So all you're really gonna have to do is crank the AC to max and make sure that shit's on, the recycler, whatever it's called. So as y'all see, this is what it comes with. That's all it is right here. There are the instructions. Nothing really special. If I can pop it. And there it is. A clicking bomb. Ready to set off. I'm so tempted to just pull that trigger right now. That would be such a fail. But anyways, guys, so I'm just going to set up this other little camera real quick. Kind of capture it here in a minute. Reactivate it and show y'all what it really does. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, she's in there right now. I think it actually already stopped. Yeah, it already stopped. But yeah, so I mean, it says like leave it in there for like 3 minutes and keep it recirculating with the air conditioning on full blast and stuff like that. But it has been 3 minutes, so I guess we can go ahead and check her out. We'll let it sit a little bit more. It's like hot boxing. As y'all can see, it's not blowing anymore. Man, that was an epic fail. Y'all gonna see in the video. I was trying to set up that thing. I thought I had pressed play, but stupid thing didn't activate. So yeah, I can actually smell it right through the doors right now. It's actually very strong. By the way, guys, when you do this, make sure that both ACs, or if you only have one front AC, make sure it's on full blast and that you have the recycler thing on too. That's a must. Like, it's a need. You have to have that on. So don't forget about that. I'll show you which one it is here in a minute. Yeah, we'll go ahead and check it out now. It's been like about 5 minutes. Woo! Dang, it is strong. There's what I was telling you about right here, guys. Make sure that that thing is on, you know, AC full blast, and that's on. So y'all see, those are the steps right there. But yeah, guys, here it is, empty and everything. No more. Man, I had such a fail at the beginning. You're probably gonna see it right here in the video. But yeah, guys, there it is. It's honestly, I'm taking a deep breath right now, and it smells really good. Like, honestly, it really freshened up the car. I can really tell a big difference now. It didn't stain up on my roof, so that's good. But I mean, my personal opinion about this, I rate this a pretty solid 9 because it actually did, and honestly, it really did what it was supposed to do. You know, it really eliminated all that, them smells and nasty odors or whatever you have going on in your car. So I really recommend this. This is really good. The MEGUIARS whole car refreshener. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Honestly, about this video, it's all freshened up. I mean, honestly, I wish YouTube had a nose, but yeah. So if y'all have any questions on this, you know, just comment down below and let me know what y'all think. But my personal opinion experience, this is really worth it. It'll really change the way you approach your interior, your car's interior. Honestly, it really will. So yeah, guys, take it easy.
Baby, me dañaste